look with a lot of different colors and eyeliner work. We're working on acne prone skin, so we're going to be starting by hydrating the skin softly. To moisturize the face, I'm using a blurring moisturizer, which is for textured skin, which evens it out and keeps it moisturized. Then I'm going in with the pore filler. Moving on to the makeup, we're going to start by correcting. I'm only using a darker shade, although you can also use green to cover red marks or pimples. This is a very important step when we're working on people who have acne or any dark spots on the face, so that it does not interfere with our foundation. Even if we do medium to buildable coverage, these marks will not be seen. So that is what I've done today. Without giving a vast amount of coverage, I've only given a buildable coverage, and now I'm doing some highlighting on the highlighting points. Moving on to a light amount of contouring, which will give the face a more dimension. It'll give the face more structure. Then you can set it all together. Before starting the eye makeup, I'm putting the eyebrows in place so that they do not interfere with the eye makeup. You can use an eyebrow gel or a wax or any other product that you think works for you. I'm now shaping the eyebrow starting from the bottom and then working up softly to the top, and then filling in the gaps that needed. I'm not giving the eyebrow too much color so that it's not too stark and it doesn't take away the look of the eye makeup. Now we've come to the super fun part where we start with the eye makeup. I'm using a blue and a lilac mix, and I'm softly blending the outer corners, and then in the inner corner I've given a very nice pigment of green, which is more reflective when light hits it. So wherever the light hits, the pigment will shine. Like you can see here, the light is hitting it, so you see how green and beautiful it looks. We're going to be creating some graphic liner effects, but before I do that, I wanted to shape out where I'm going to be using the eyeliner and then give it some shading so that the liner that I create will have some shadow effect on the eyes. Now we have the exact shape and equal on both the eyes, so I can go with the darker color to shade out further. Going in with a beautiful peacock shade eyeliner. This is a liquid liner with a really smooth tip, which is helping me create a very precise eyeliner. Whenever we're creating graphic eyeliners, it's very important to make sure that we're working on both the eyes simultaneously so that we don't make very different eye shapes. So keep looking into the mirror or keep looking from a little bit of distance. I've then gone over with a black eyeliner to outline the peacock shade, and now I'm giving a pop of pink in the inner corner, which is really adding to the look. To finish off the look, I'm obviously just giving a very nude lip because we've already worked a lot on the eyes. Keeping a nude lip so that our only focus is on the eyes. To finish off the look, I'm giving an eyeliner, a winged liner, just to match the graphic liner, which will give a complete effect to our eye makeup. Ta-da! That is the finished look. We've even put some light eyelashes on, nothing too heavy. That'll take the look of the eye makeup away, and you can see how the colors are popping, the green pigment, and we kept a high pony so that the face looks, lifted up and kind of blends in with the eye makeup. And our model is looking so cool. So guys, if you enjoyed this makeup look and the process of it, please do like and share the video, and keep an eye out for a lot more coming in.